how to find mention notification settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off mention notification settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click the story lines in the top corner, and now click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and scroll down until you find this one. All you need to do is just click on it one click, and you can turn it on again just by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.